You are welcome to AppFix and In. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to see your repost on Instagram. So guys, let's dive right into the video. Looking here on the screen is my Instagram app. Now at the bottom, you can see your profile icon. You need to go ahead and click on your profile icon like this. That's the first step you need to actually take. So if you go right here at the top right corner and click on the three line icon at the top right corner, right here, scrolling right here on your settings and privacy, you won't be able to see your repost. So this is what you can actually do in order to see your repost. You can easily go back right here to your profile. Looking here, you can see the repost icon right here. Now this repost icon can only be displayed here if you have actually reposted a post or a reel on Instagram. That is the only way you'd be able to see your repost right here. And these are the videos and posts I've actually reposted on Instagram. So this is how simple it is to see repost on Instagram. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos on this channel. See you in the next one.